Foodie. A person who loves food. She is a foodie and loves pizza. My friend is a foodie who enjoys cooking. Bookworm. A person who loves reading books. My sister is a bookworm who loves novels. A bookworm enjoys visiting the library. Night owl. A person who stays awake late at night. He is a night owl and sleeps late. My sister is a night owl who studies at night. Early bird. A person who wakes up early in the morning. She is an early bird and wakes up at 5 a.m. I want to be an early bird, but I sleep late. Outdoorsy. A person who loves spending time outside. He is outdoorsy and enjoys camping. Outdoorsy people like fresh air and nature. Enthusiast. A person who is very interested in a particular activity. My dad is a car enthusiast and loves old cars. He is a football enthusiast and watches every game. Frigid. Very cold. The air outside is frigid in winter. He wore a coat because it was frigid. Superb. Very good or excellent. The food at the restaurant was superb. The view from the mountain was superb. Gripping. Very exciting or holding your attention. The story was gripping from start to finish. The final match was gripping and full of excitement. Far-fetched. Hard to believe or not likely to happen. The story about a ghost seems far-fetched. Her idea of flying cars next year is far-fetched.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!